Sanibonani, igama lami nguNokwanda wakwaZulu and sengibuyile nenye ividiyo yenzipho. So namhlanje nginibonisa ukuthi ngipractice kanjani ngesandla sami. Lesi sandla-ke ngiyaqala ukusisebenzisa for ividiyo, isandla esi-right because uyakhona ukupractice any design you like oyibonile everywhere. It's either Instagram, TikTok or even Pinterest. And lana niyabona-ke ukuthi ngenza i-acrylic application yami. Enye into engake ngayichaza kwamanye amavidiyo ami ukuthi anginayo i-bead method, ngifaka nje i-acrylic yami ngendlela engisuke ngibona ngayo. And kunendaba la, ngifelwe i-glass yami le yokufaka imonoma. Yabo lama-glass la amancane angazathi awama-short. Well, to be specific, khona oyibulalile la ekhaya. Kanti-ke ngenhlanhla khona le nkomishi le nibonayo la kule video ekade nje yaba khona ekukhuleni kwami, ngazathi yayazi ukuthi ekugcineni ngizogcina ngenza inzipho, ngizoyidinga. So that's why-ke ngigcina sengisebenzisa le nkomishi yami encane just for ukufaka imonoma yami ngoba ngafelwa phela inkomishi yami leya. Into engiyenzayo most of the time ukuthi I make sure ukuthi ama-bead ami ahlala phezu kwezipho. Even if it's running, ngiyazama ukuthi ngiyolisekela ngebrush, ngilibuyise endleleni. Yebo kuyenzeka it sometimes ukuthi mhlampe i-bead yakho mhlampe ibe wet or too wet, bese iba runny, igcine seyiphumela emaceleni. But as time goes on, uloku uyajwayela ukuthi no, nayi indlela kumele ngenze ngayo, nayi indlela engisebenzelayo, then ugcina usuba ne-method yakho. Yebo-ke sometimes it doesn't have to be ukuthi mhlawumbe ulandela umthetho thizeni. Nokwenza izinto ngendlela obona ngayo nje nako kuyasiza. Sacela niqhubeke nibuke, then sobe sesikhuluma kwi-step esilandelayo.
Never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm in my bitch, say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me die. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, when you talk, I go do one. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.
La bese sengiqedile ukufaka i-acrylic powder, then ngase ngakomisa for 60 seconds. Istep esilandelayo-ke then ukufayela just ukuthi ukline wonke amaphutha owenzile. Then emva kwaloko-ke sobe sesibhafa. After buffing, we are moving to design. Njalo uma ngenza amavidiyo ami guys, ngihlezi ngifuna ukuthi ngathi nganichazela a little bit more of izinto engizenzayo, nokuthi why ngizenza, nokuthi ngizenza kanjani. Ngoba nami indlela engifisa ngayo uma ngibukela amanye ama-tutorials from abanye abantu, indlela engifisa ngayo ukuthi ngichazeleke ngayo. Noma nangizwa yini. Ngaxoliswa ngokunyakaza kwekhamera, it's disturbing, nami ngiyabona. i-step sami esilandelayo la ngihlanganisa khona ijeli. For le design engizoyenza ngifuna umbala o-brown no-nude. So nginayo ijeli e-brown but unude anginayo. So ngizonibonisa-ke ukuthi ngihlanganisa kanjani amajeli ami ukuze ngikhone ukuthola lowo mbala engiwufunayo. Namhlanje ngoba ngizohlanganisa unude ngizobona ukuthi ngihlanganisa u-white, like ijeli yami e-white ne-brown. Ngahlanganisa then it came out perfect. Angizange sa-eda futhi. If you want it more lighter uzo-eda omunye u-white. So ngiyahlanganisa-ke lana then ngizobe sengenza i-design yami. Ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke ezinye bengilo ngibona ama-design e-blooming gel yabo, so ngase nga-inspire-sheka-ke nami ukuthi no, let me try i-design ezo-include i-blooming gel because bengakaze ngiyisebenzise. I ordered it from Shein but ngangakaze ngiyisebenzise for i-design. So here lo muna wokuqala ngizoyenza i-front tip using ijeli brown. So into eqala ngiyenze ngidwebe ulayini o-straight kwi-tip yami yozipho, then bese ngidweba ulayini okhevayo from the right, omunye okhevayo from the left, ngijoyine nolayini wami lo ophezulu. Wenze sure ukuthi uyayifila i-influence yakho ngejeli yonke indawo. Make sure ukuthi uyayigcina ikhevekile i-shape yakho le oyidwebile. Then i-step esilandelayo ngizobe sengifaka i-star sami esi-gold lapha kwi-smile line se-front tip. Ngaze ngajabula guys, sengikhumbulile ukuthi yini le curve le ngiloko ngisho i-smile line. Ngeke ngizwe besho, umuntu besekhohlini. Then ngizobe sengifaka i-star sami. I-star sami singinikeza inkinga yami besingafuni ukuhlala phansi, ngisabathe nizobona-ke kodwa. So if you don't do mistakes it means you're not learning. Ngiyadlala guys, ngiyadlala, but-ke singinikeza inkinga ngempela i-star sami. But-ke ekugcineni sigcine sesihlala. Then ngaqeda-ke ngafaka kwi-UV light yami ngakyora for 60 seconds. Then sobe sesimuvela kwenye i-design include i-blooming gel. Ngizo-aplya kileya yami ye-blooming gel, then mese ngithatha i-dotting tool yami ngicomboza lapha kwi-gel yami e-brown, then ngiyapressa down kwizipho lami, press it down, then kuzobe sekubloomela like magic. So le inspo-ke ye-blooming gel ngiyibone I think Instagram, so ngayithanda, so I decided to try it.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Trying to come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in.
Again, for this step ye-flower ngi-aplayile blooming gel, then ngase ngenza ama-dots like akhanda i-circle just for it to bloom and be like i-flower. Then bengingenako-ke lezi zinto ezi-gold lezi ezincane abayisebenzisayo, so ngizobona-ke i-second option yami ukuthi kube yini. Siya-improvise la, we improvise. I-camera ayenzi justice for this nude color, ayibonakali kahle la kwi-flower, but in real life, baby, siyazama, we are getting there. So after curing, make sure to cure after usuyenze i-blooming flower yakho. Then the next step ngizo-aplya i-stud or yini le, my second option, iyona engizoyifaka lapha phakathi nendawo so that kuzobonakala ukuthi i-flower phela. Ngenkathi nginamathisela i-star sami nalento le engifaka kwi-flower, ngisebenzisa i-UV gel because it's much more stronger than i-glue, like i-glue lo is-aplya ngayo ama-tips, so that's why ngisebenzisa i-UV gel. Okulandelayo ke ngizobe sengenza i-French tip again but using my nude color. So bese sengichazile ukuthi ngenza kanjani i-French tip, but nizobona ke yonke into engiyenzayo. The unfortunate thing ke ukuthi bengasenaso esinye isitake ngoba phela angawathengi yini lama accessories or kubizwa ngani ama-rhinestone. Ngifake i-rhinestone laphaya. Okay, yay, kumnandi ukukhumbula sometimes. Sengikhumbulile ukuthi i-rhinestone. Correct me if I'm wrong kwama-comments. Okay, bengasenaso ke esinye istar, so I opted for lento engazathi bathi yini lento letholakala e-Egypt yebabo, but ngizothi triangle for, but niya-understand ukuthi ngizama ukuthini. Ngifake yona ke just ukuthi at least kuyele ngakwi-vision le benginayo while doing this design. So thank you guys for watching and listening to me ramble all the time. Ngiyathanda. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share to your friends and family. Kungangijabulisa kakhulu just to get that recognition. I-recognition guys, that's what's important. Ileyo nto engiyifisayo, but ngiyathanda kakhulu. Ekugcineni ke ngizobe senibona like a full set ye-design engiyenzile. If khona ama-mistakes engiwenzile, ninalo ithuba lokuthi ngangi-correct kwama-comments, cause ngisaseyi-beginner, ngisafunda, ngisabukela abanye abantu nami abangaphezulu kwami. Nami ngiyafisa ukuthi kube khona ababukela kimi. Anyway, bye.